how to download Killer Bean game all version. So this is a Killer Bean game all version. So I'll show you how to get this Killer Bean all version so you can get it to play today and enjoy it by the end of this video. So please remember that you have to hit that like button below right now. So I'll show you the details now. So go to my comment section right now, guys. You see that link in my comment section, that blue link? So that is the arrow that I am pointing on. So click on it. So you click on the blue arrow right here now, guys. It's going to direct you to a website. So this website, you're going to get the old version from it, everyone. So this whole version only can work on Android phone. I don't know about iOS as yet. So this is the Killer Bean old version link. So you're going to scroll down right now, guys. Going to scroll down till the page finish. So tap on the green button say download everyone. You understand? So you're going to tap on that green button. Then you see download file. Then you click on details. So when you click on details, you're going to see this face off right over here. Say Killer Bean Unleashed. So when you tap on it to download it, everyone. So I tap on it now. Yes, guys. Remember, guys, this is the oldest version of Killer Bean, guys, to get unlimited life, guys. If it's not working on your phone, guys, might be because of your phone version do not agree with this old version anymore, guys. So this is the latest old version out of Killer Bean, guys. So if the step that you're going to do now, guys, I'm showing you right now. This is the Killer Bean old version. So as you see, guys, I am playing out through the map, and while the other player showed me, you're going to see that my life going to decrease, everyone. So as you see, my life is decreased to 40, everyone. So see right here now, guys, this is this Killer Bean story level 1. So no, sorry, story level 2 I'm playing. So if you want to get the full gameplay, guys, remember to go to my comment section, click on that link and download the old version from it, guys. So if you're facing any problem to download this Killer Bean old version, you can let me know in my comment section right now, guys. I will see you there. I will see you there in my comment section. So comment and let me know if you're not getting through to download this Killer Bean Unleashed. If you get through how to download this Killer Bean Unleashed, yes, don't forget to like this video and share it out to make some more person can get this video to download too, guys. Share out this video if you have friend who want to download this Killer Bean old version too, everyone. So if you want to know how to get unlimited life in Killer Bean Unleashed, as you see right there, my life is at 100 not moving. I'll show you how to get bulletproof hack. So your life cannot move. As you see 100% not moving, guys. So click on the video on the screen. It will show you how to get unlimited life, like bulletproof, so your life not going to go down.